Fine. Now go to the list databases, select Shake. As you can see, you have two databases which you have created. So you can also change the password from here. I'm going to change these one. And if you are going to access your database from remotely, so you can just add the IP address here. So how can you do that? Just click on this one, select your IP address. So where you can get the IP address, I'm saying my IP address. Click on this one. So as you can see, this is your okay. So now I'm going to using this particular IP address. Fine. Make sure this is the dynamic IP address. When I restart my system, I will have a new one. Okay, so now use your credentials with your applications or any kind of application like JetBrain or where you want to access your database.